everyone, I welcome you to Knowledgeist. So this is the fifth session. We are already done with four sessions. So here we will learn that how we can make our word power more easier, how we can learn it in a better way. So let's boost our English knowledge. Let's boost our word power. So if you are new to this channel, then do subscribe this channel and like this class. And today what we will be learning today. So today we will be learning 5 high frequency words, their meaning in English and Hindi, their synonym and antonyms, and we will also implement them into sentences. So let's get started. So the first one is knave. So the parts of speech of knave is an adjective. It means when we talk about a person or an action, then we usually use this term. It means showing a lack of experience, wisdom or judgment. जब हम किसी की मतलब निष्कपट या मतलब किसी भी चीज के जो भी सीधा साधा व्यक्ति के बारे में बात करते हैं, तो उसे हम we usually use this term. So the parts of speech of this term is adjective, while the synonyms are artless, ingenious, natural, and the antonyms are urban, polished, informed, refined. Now let's take an example of a sentence. So a child with a naive charm. तो यहाँ पे हम एक व्यक्ति के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. We are talking about a person. We are talking about a child's charm, जो कि बहुत ही सीधा साधा है. So let's move to the next term, that is affluence. So the parts of speech of affluence is noun. What is its meaning? It means the state of having a great deal of money or wealth. तो हम जब किसी के wealth के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, या फिर we are talking about something which is dealing about money, then we use the term affluence. तो इसका हिंदी में इसका मीनिंग क्या है? समृद्धि या फिर संपन्नता. So what are the synonyms for this term? They are wealth, prosperity, fortune, while the antonyms are poverty, lack, need, want. Then let's take an example of a sentence. The poverty of some is enhanced by the great affluence of others. So likewise, we can use this term, or we can implement this term in a sentence. Let's move to the next term. It is retrospect. तो usually हम इस term को use करते हैं. We use this term. You must be familiar with this word. So the parts of speech of retrospect is an adjective. इसका meaning क्या है? A survey or review of a past course of events or period of time. तो हम एक सर्वे कर रहे हैं या फिर एक रिव्यू कर रहे हैं जो कि पास्ट के कुछ it's related to some past events or related to a period of time which have passed. Then we use the term retrospect. तो इसका हिंदी का मतलब क्या है? बीती बातें की जांच. जो भी बीत गई है उस बातों की जब हम जांच करते हैं, then we use this term retrospect. So the synonyms for this term are recollection, remembrance, while the antonyms are forethought and prospect. So let's take an example of a sentence. In retrospect, the old man wished he had traveled more during his younger days. तो वो क्या कर रहे हैं? He is thinking about the past events that काश उसने अपनी जो बचपन के दिन में younger days में ज्यादातर ट्रैवल कर ली होती, वो उसके बारे में सोच रहे हैं. Then the next word is गवर्नमेंट. तो ये वर्ड भी आपने काफी बार सुना होगा. द पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच ऑफ गवर्नमेंट इज नाउन. इसका मीनिंग क्या है? वन हु टेक्स प्लेजर इन ईटिंग एंड ड्रिंकिंग. जो भी पर्सन है वो खाने पीने में ज्यादातर जिसकी पारखी होती है, या फिर जो बहुत पसंद करते हैं, या फिर उनकी मतलब वो उसमें मजा लेते हैं, तो फिर we usually use this term gourmet. तो इसका synonym क्या है? Foodie, epicure, while the antonyms are glutton and overeater. So let's take an example of a sentence. A gourmet like him always eats in expensive restaurants. So this speaking that ये जो व्यक्ति जो कि बहुत ही मतलब खाने के ऊपर वो चाव रखते हैं, वो he usually eat in a in expensive restaurants. So let's move to the last word, that is simulate. So what is its meaning? It means imitate the appearance और कैरेक्टर ऑफ. तो आप किसी को इमिटेट कर रहे हो, आप किसी का मॉक कर रहे हो, आप किसी का मतलब डुप्लीकेसी कर रहे हो, आप किसी की अनुकरण कर रहे हो, देन इट इज कॉल्ड सिम्युलेट. सो द पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच ऑफ सिम्युलेट इज ए वर्ब. इट मीन्स आप कॉपी कर रहे हो किसी को. इमिटेट मतलब किसी की अपीयरेंस या फिर कैरेक्टर का कॉपी करना, अनुकरण करना, उससे सिम्युलेट कही जाती है. द सिनोनिम्स आर इमिटेट, रेप्लिकेट, मॉक, while the antonyms are genuine and real. So let's take an example of a sentence. Botanists often use lamps to simulate natural sunlight. तो फिर botanist क्या करते हैं? They use lamps to simulate, to imitate the natural sunlight. So if you are new to this channel, then do subscribe this channel, join with us in the Telegram channel Knowledges, and like this session, do share with your friends, they will get to know something new. हमारे साथ ये कुछ दिन के लिए बंद हो गया था, but we will be doing this class regularly, so हमारे साथ जुड़े. Take care, have a good day. Thank you.